Good morning, guys. If you have found this video, you have successfully gotten into this week's folder on Polaris. We are going to pick up today with the Seikan Tunnel. If you remember, last week we read this article, and so today we're going to answer a question and respond in writing. Okay, so a quick review of the Seikan Tunnel. If you remember, this tunnel was, I'll wait for the bell. All right, so if you remember, this tunnel took a long time to build. I think it took nearly 20 plus years to build. The significance of this tunnel is that it runs underwater and is 800 feet below sea level for most of that, okay? So not only did it take a long time to build, it was a lot of money, but the challenge was it was underwater and it connected two islands off of Japan. And so that was kind of why it was such a big thing. And then as we read, I'm going to scroll down here. As we read, as technology advanced, airlines started commuting back and forth between those islands. And so the tunnel did not get used as much as they thought it would, but it was still a big thing for architecture, okay, and engineering. So I know last week we kind of went over the question that we were going to answer today, but that is our focus today. And so using specific details from the passage, summarize why the Seikan Tunnel was important yet difficult to build. Okay, so this does need to be a paragraph response, and I want it based on the article. Okay, so again, why was it important to build this tunnel? But also, why was it difficult to build this tunnel? There are lots of reasons mentioned in that article. So your paragraph should be at least 5 to 7 sentences, okay? I don't mind if for proof you copy and paste part of your answer, but that needs to go in quotes, and then your introduction to that needs to be in your own sentence, okay? In your own words. So you have the rest of class today to work on this response. Include details from the passage. It can be in your own words, but it needs to be information from the passage as well, okay? If you have questions, please ask. I will be back in on Thursday, and I will see you then. Thanks, guys.